In late October, a group of soldiers and Marines gathered at the Detroit Arsenal in Michigan to offer engineers their insights into how robotic combat vehicles, now under development by the Army, could be used to cross rivers or other waterways. The group met alongside the Detroit River to gain a first-hand look at terrain features alongside a river. One side benefit of the study was that the soldiers and Marines got their first exposure to the benefits an RCV could bring to the fight.
Yeah, so what an RCV brings to the Army, what it brings particularly to a CAV unit, is that it eliminates putting soldiers into the unknown. And sometimes that's still, even with RCVs, that still might be necessary, but it certainly mitigates that quite a bit.
For the Army's Next Generation Combat Vehicles Cross-Functional Team, I'm Dan Heaton.